Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to another episode of OverTheTables Random Reviews. Yes, it has been a while, but the random reviews are back. If you didn't watch my last video on the update of the channel, go ahead and watch that so you see what the future holds. But for now, we've got another product for me to review. This is a neck fan. I know it sounds weird. So basically, it's like it goes around your neck, and I believe it has two fans on the sides. That way it keeps you cooled off in the summer and whenever it's hot. I live in Florida, it's always hot here. So you put this thing on, it's rechargeable and whatnot. Let's open this thing up and take a look. Now I am going to try a few different recording techniques. Give me your feedback on whichever one you guys like best, so I can put out whatever videos, whatever way that you guys prefer. So I know what you're thinking, Joey, what happened to the mini meat cleaver knife? I don't know where it is. I think I have it, but I don't know where it is. Kind of misplaced it in the move, but regardless, we have a knife, so we're gonna open this thing up. It comes in pretty non-standard eBay packaging. This time we're in that yellow bubble wrap type packaging, so that's nice. And then we've got the product. Go ahead and throw that over there. You can see what it looks like on there. The box is very, looks like this thing was stepped on by an elephant. A skinny elephant. A fat elephant would have broke it. So yeah, that's basically what it is. It wasn't that much. I'll put a link to it in the description if you guys want to get your own. Seems pretty convenient. I know it's the winter right now, so it's probably not something that you would use at this moment. But for future, for that summer, can be useful. We'll find out. So I'll go ahead and read it. Says mute motor, super strong wind. You can tell this was made in China. So what they're saying is it's not that loud. Wear load and comfortable, hands-free. You can adjust the fan angle. It's lightweight and it's got 3 different speeds. It does come in multiple colors. This is the black one, so I prefer black. I believe it has a red and a white. Not too many options. The cable it comes with is standard micro USB charging cable. You should know that a lot of things have that type of charger, so you probably already have one laying around the house. Here's the product. Interesting. You see its charging port is right there, and it's fairly simple. It's only got one button right there for just sounds creaky, but it does feel pretty well constructed. It's made out of a black plastic. These white things are like rubberized, and the fans of course have a thing to protect your fingers. You would not be stabbing yourself or getting sliced by these fans anytime soon. So go ahead. Okay, comfort. It's like if you were trying to carry something with a big plastic handle. The comfort's not up there. It has no kind of cushion or anything, and the shape is odd because it's rectangular, and I'm pretty sure most of you, like me, don't have rectangular necks. It's not bad, though. I mean, it's not bad. Let's see if it's got any charge. If not, we'll give it a charge. So it had some charge because they both spun up and then one stopped and then the other one stopped because it needs to be charged. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and charge this thing up and we'll come right back. It does take quite a bit of time to charge. Definitely at least a couple hours, like over 2 hours. Now the battery was pretty dead because I have had this thing for a while, but still it does take a good while to charge. You'll know when it's done charging. Red light will come on when you plug it in. That will stay on until it's done charging. It'll turn blue. Then you know it's fully charged. I know that charging time is something that you guys ask a lot in comments, and I don't really cover it too much. So I figured I would let you guys know. So basically, what we've got is the neck fan now. So we'll go ahead and put it around there. The place where you get your LED light is where the button is, and you turn it on. Hold on 1 second. I'm sure you're wondering what that noise is. What it sounds like is, it sounds like the blade on it, the propeller on it, is hitting against the actual plastic covering somehow, and causing it to make a bunch of noise. Other than that, it would be pretty quiet, but that seems like a pretty big defect. One of them works great, the other one has that noise. Otherwise, it is pretty quiet. So basically, first time you hit the button is the slowest speed, which gives you actually a pretty decent amount of airflow. Second time you hit the button gives you even more airflow, and then the third time gives you the most airflow. So I could have it about this far away. I'm still feeling the airflow from here, and it's like a decent amount of airflow. That noise is really bothering though. That's a defect on this one. I'm hoping they are not all like that, because other than that, it's a pretty decent product. It's not too expensive. You can adjust to have this thing just pointing fans right toward you. If you were going on a walk or something and it's really hot outside, you just want some fresh air, it would work for that. Because of the fact that it does have an issue, I can't quite put my recommendation on it. If you do want to take the risk and buy this thing and hope that it's not defective, then I will have the link in the description. But because of the defect, I can't fully recommend it. I will be contacting the seller, see what they can do about it, because it is quite unfortunate. But other than that, it's a pretty decent product, and I enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tons of videos coming out to you guys. I made a promise and I'm sticking to it. Plenty of future videos. If you want to check out the update video, it's going to be right over there. And if you want to check out the random reviews playlist, it's going to be right over there. Have a great day, everybody. And as always, don't get shot.